Hi, my name is Nsiso Apaudo, and in this demonstration video, I'm going to show what data definition language is and how it works, as well as all the table constraints. So DDL is basically how we shape the database, the tables, columns, and the rows that keep our data true. Then the table constraints, these are the rules the database enforces to protect the data integrity. So as we can see here, first we're going to create a database with school DB. So the create database makes a brand new database. The go here tells the SQL server to run everything as one batch, while the use DB here switches my session to the school DB database. So here, as you can see here we are going to create a table here with DBO students. So the student ID here is the primary key. First name is not null, last name not null, email is not null and unique. And they created this is the date time, not null, which is and you set it to default. So here the primary key here uniquely identifies each row and implicitly creates a cluster in index by default. So the not null here indicates that the column here must not be null. So the uniqueness here in the email, not null and unique in the email, indicates that every email must be present and different. No two students are allowed to have the same email. And the default, not null here, guarantees a timestamp exists on every row, while the default here ensures consistency in the timestamp. So we move over to the foreign keys here. As you can see here, this is the foreign key. Basically, what a foreign key does is it links rows between tables. So value must exist in the reference table. So you can see here, this is where the foreign key here comes in. So it basically stops orphan rows in enrollment. So you can't enroll a student or a course that does not exist. So if you come here to the site, you see a student ID, PK, primary key, foreign key, int, not null, and the rest of it. So if you want to do it in the GUI, you create new table and you are going to student the score ID, and I'm going to use int. So remember, primary key is not supposed to be null. So to set it, I'll click here and set it as primary key. And also to do the foreign key, I'll still click do relationships, add. If you can see, this is the identity. This is the table designer. So if I add it in the relationship, it will link the two tables together, but we're not going to do that. So that is it in the table constraints. So the two, if we come here, if we come to my this thing, this is my W3 school, this is my progress, and this is the two exercises. I'm going to click here and submit. This one to which SQL database is in is an inexpensive alternative. Is definitely my SQL. And this one here, what is SQL injection? A code injection techniques to access or destroy a database. So that is it. So these are the two external links I use in Microsoft Alter Table and the Create Table. So that is all. Thank you for watching.